In this class, we are going to discuss about Theorem 9.8, Chapter 9, Circle. Observe this theorem. Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. What? Angles in the same segment. What about the same segment? Once we take any chord, like PQ is what? Chord. This chord of a circle dividing this circle into two segments. This chord PQ is dividing this circle into two segments. This is minor arc and this is major arc. So we can say this is what? One segment, and this one is what? Another segment. So chord dividing circle into what? Two segments. So angles in the same segment. Once we talk about major arc, and in the major segment we are getting one angle is what? PAQ. Another one is what? PCQ. What? One is PAQ and another one is PCQ. These two angles in the same segment. What? In a major segment, we are having these two angles. We want to prove angles in the same segment. In the major segment, these angles are equal. It means angle PAQ equal to PCQ. This thing we want to prove. Clear? So we are joining OP and OQ. What? OP and OQ we are joining, and these are what? Radii of circle. Clear? Now what about its proof? We studied one theorem. What? The angle subtended by an arc. This is one theorem we studied. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. What is its meaning? We studied already. Angle subtended by an arc at the center. Angle subtended by an arc at the center. Due to this arc, angle subtended by an arc at the center. Due to this arc, angle at the center POQ. What? Angle at the center POQ. What? POQ is double the angle subtended by it at any point of the remaining part of the circle. So this angle is double the angle subtended by it at any point of the remaining part of the circle. It means this angle, or we can say any other angle. So this angle is 2 times of this one, or any other angle on this circle. Clear? So this will be what? Double this angle at the center due to this arc will be double what? Is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. So due to this arc, angle at the center will be double the angle at any other part of the or remaining part of the circle. So this angle POQ equal to 2 times of angle PAQ. What? Angle POQ equal to 2 times of angle PAQ. Clear? And we can also say angle POQ equal to 2 times of angle PCQ. Yes or no? POQ is 2 times of angle PCQ. So I am taking this one as equation number 1 and this one as equation number 2. Compare 1 and 2. Compare equation 1 and 2. Then what we are getting? In both equation, left hand side is equal. So right hand side will be what? Equal 2 times of angle PAQ will be equal to what? 2 times of angle PCQ. Finally, what we can say? Angle PAQ equal to what? Angle PCQ. This thing we want to prove, we proved. Clear? Hence proved. Clear? Observe again how we are proving. In the theorem, what thing we want to prove? Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. I am taking PQ code, and this code dividing this circle into the two segments. One is major segment, another one is this one. Clear? So we want to prove this angle equal to this one. Angles in the same segment, once we take this segment in which angles are equal, this thing we want to prove. So we studied one theorem. At the center, angle due to this arc at the center will be what? Double of angle is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. So by this theorem, we can say this angle POQ equal to 2 times of angle PAQ, this one. And another thing we can write, angle POQ will be equal to 2 times of angle PCQ. We are getting two equations. Once we compare both equations, in these equations left hand side equals to right hand side will be equal. Then finally we are getting angle PAQ will be equal to what? PCQ. This thing we want to prove, we proved. I hope you understand this theorem. That's all about this theorem. Thank you so much.